What's the pros of installed wheel spacers on Maserati GT? The Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers will improve performance and appearance. They make the wheels feel the fender well, achieving a more aggressive and sportier stance. By moving the wheels and tires afterwards, these Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers increase the track width. A wider track provides your Maserati sports car with better traction, handling, and stability. Apart from the basic spacer functionality, BONOSS Forge Active Cooling Maserati Granturismo wheel spacers offer more extra useful advantage. There are pintle-shaped grooves carved on the back sides. We call it active cooling grooves. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacers. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. They are CNC machined, precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that contact with other parts, such precise BONOSS wheel spacers are perfect for your wheel upgrades. Aluminum Maserati wheel spacers will dissipate brake heat better. This is good for rims or brakes. They feature nicer designs that add both style and function when you are upgrading your vehicle. If you pursue extreme performance, then a set of forged aluminum Maserati wheel spacers is well worth the investment.
Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage half-century spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.